So we are in exercise 7a, percentage. Here we have from number 6, an auctioneer charges 8% for selling a house. Auctioneer, one who puts something on auction, isn't it? Nilami karne wala. If the house is sold for rupees 230,500, find the charges of the auctioneer. So what is the charge of the auctioneer? Of course 8%. 8% on what? 8% on rupees 230,500. 2,30,500. So come on, let's start. The selling price of house, we know it as rupees 230,500, and the charges of the auctioneer is 8%. Of course he will charge. If he does some work, naturally he will charge for that. So when he takes 8%, what is the amount that he will get? Therefore amount charged. So amount charged will be 8% of rupees 230,500. So 8% means what? 8% means your 8 by 100. 8 by 100 of 230,500. Now it's up to you how well you can cancel it. Okay, so let's cancel it, and you will find that on multiplication you will be getting how much? You will be getting rupees 18440. You multiply it and you get the answer yourself. Okay, you know, in number 7 what they say, out of 800 oranges, so total number of oranges, total number of oranges is equal to ORANGES is equal to how much? 800. Now out of this total number of oranges, 50 are rotten, which keeps on happening. Okay, so number of rotten is equal to 50. So find the percentage of good oranges. So first you find number of good oranges. Therefore my dear, number of good oranges will be equal to how much? Good oranges, I hope that I am not able to write the correct spelling. Oranges, number of good oranges is equal to 800 minus 50 will give you 750. That's it. Now if number of oranges is good oranges is 750, what are they asking you? Percentage of good oranges. So percentage of good oranges will be 750 out of 800, out of this total 800, out of the original number of oranges, multiplied. Since you are finding the percentage, therefore you will have to multiply it by 100. Now after you cancel, do some cancellation work, you will get 750 by 8, which will give you somewhat like 375 by 4 or 93 3 by 4% when you round it off to mixed value. Okay, moving on to the next one, that is number 8. They're talking about a cistern, okay, a big tank. So a cistern contains, okay, a cistern contains how much? I will write it in short. Okay, contains how much? 5,000 liters. 5,000 liters. Okay, see, they are so clever. Instead of writing 5,000 in numbers, they have given you 5,000 in words in order to confuse you. And leakage is how much? Leakage is equal to 6%. 6% is the leakage. 6% of what? So leakage is equal to 6% of this 5,000. So 6% of 5,000 is equal to how much? Let me see. Let me calculate. 6,000. 6%. What am I doing? 6% of 5,000. So 6% of 5,000, my dear, will give you 6 fives are 30, 300 liter is the leakage. What are they asking you? Find how many liter of water are left. So how many liters? Find number of liters left. L-E-F-T. Number of liters left. So number of liters left will be how much water was there? 5,000. So 5,000 minus 3,000 will give you how much? Will give you 4700 liters. See? Okay. So they are quite easy if you understand the meaning. LTRS. LTRS. If you understand the meaning of percentage properly. Okay. 9 says a man spends 87% of his salary. Of course, even we earn, we spend something. Okay. And we have a little left to save. So the man spends 87% of his salary. The man spends how much? Spends 87% of salary. Okay. So if the man spends 87% of the salary, how much does he save? So he saves, percentage means out of 100. So he saves 100 minus 87 is equal to 13%. So he saves 13% of his salary. Well, very good. Okay. Now, if he saves 13% of his salary, according to the question, what they say that they have already given you that he saves 325. Already they have said that he saves how much? 325. So 13% of his salary, of the salary which you do not know, his salary, SALARY, salary is equal to 325. So what is the salary? What is the salary? So in order to find the salary, okay, in order to find salary, we will have to transpose this data onto the other side. Let us transpose. So 325 multiplied by the denominator will on to your left hand side will move towards, will become the numerator onto the left hand side, and the numerator will become the denominator. Okay. So when you solve this, 13 how many times? 13 25 times, which will give you how much? Which will give you 2500 rupees. 2500. So his salary was 2,500, and then he spends 87% of his salary and saves 13% of his salary. Okay. Now number 10 says that a number 3.625 is wrongly written. A number 3.6, number 10 says that you have been given a number, that is the original number. Original number is equal to 3.625. Well, and then this particular number is written wrongly. So wrong number, wrong, WRONGLY, wrongly written as how much? 3.265. This means that when we subtract over here, what are we going to get? On subtraction we'll get 0.360 as the error. This much is the error. Itni galtiyan hui. 0.360 is the error. So you will have to find the error percent. So as I had told you previously, that error percent is always found, or whatever percent is always found on the original number. Therefore error percent is equal to 0.360 error by original value. 3.625 times 100. Since we are finding the value in percentage, naturally we'll have to multiply it by 100. Okay, so on cancellation, what are we going to get? We'll get 36000 by 3625. Okay, and on solving, when you will solve it, you will get a reduced value to 9.93%. You keep on cancellation with 5, and naturally you will get 9.93 percentage. Why percentage? Why percentage? Because we are finding error percent. So since you are finding error percent, therefore your answer should also be in percentage. Please do not forget this. Moving on to the second part of number 10, we have original number is equal to 5.78 times 10 to the power 3 means 1000. 1000 can be written in this particular form. This is my original number and my wrongly written number. Okay, wrong number is how much? Is 5.87 times 10 to the power 3. Okay, this means this time they have increased, the value got increased. So what is the difference? How do we find the difference? So we find the difference as, have a look, 5.87 times 10 to the power 3 minus 5.78 times 10 to the power 3. Now, when we take 10 to the power 3 as common, 10 to the power 3, when we take 10 to the power 3 or extract 10 to the power 3, what will you get? You will get this particular value, 5.87 minus 5.78. This will give you how much? When you will subtract, naturally you will be getting a value 0.9. So 0.9 into 10 to the power 3. This is my error. So now when this is your error, what is the error percent? So your error percent is equal to your error 0.9 into 10 to the power 3, 0.09, let me see, 0.09 my dear, 0.09 into 10 to the power 3. So 0.09 into 10 to the power 3 by original value. Original value is your 5.78 times 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 100. Of course you will have to multiply by 100. Why? Because you are finding the value in percentage. This will get cancelled, while the decimal, if we are removing to 2 places from the numerator, denominator also 2 places will be removed, and finally you will get 9 by 578. 9 by 578 times 100, that is 900 by 578, and when you will divide it, what are you going to get? You will get as 1.56 percentage. Okay, 1.56%. So I hope these sums, you can say, in the examination will be given in such a way so that you do not get any decimal value. Okay, for your convenience. In number 11, what they say, that in an election between two candidates, so an election is to be held, ELECTION, for example, the BJP and the Congress party. So these are two large groups, okay, till date. So an election between two groups are held, two candidates are held, in which one candidate, elections can be held between two candidates A as well as B. So here A gets how much? Your A gets 58% of vote, 58% of votes. And how much B gets? If A gets 58% of votes, so naturally the and they say that this fellow is the winning candidate. He is the winning winning candidate. Okay, naturally, of course, he will be the winning candidate. Okay, because it is more than 50% vote. This B will get how much vote? The B will be getting 100 minus 58 is equal to 100 minus 58 is equal to 42% votes. 42% votes. So this fellow B, who is the losing candidate, gets 42% vote. A gets 58% votes. So what is the difference of vote? Difference. So difference is equal to 58 minus 42 is equal to 16% votes. This means the winning candidate gets 16% votes extra, and they have already given you, they have, according to the question, they say that this 16% of total votes is equal to 18,336. So how to find the total votes? So your total votes will be equal to 18336 times 100 divided by 16. This on transposing will get multiplied, and this one will get divided. Okay, and when you will cancel this, okay, on cancelling, let me see. So this will get cancelled with 16 how many times? When you will cancel it, you will get 1146, yes, which will give you 114600 votes. Okay, what are they asking you? Are they asking you the total votes? Find the total number of votes and votes secured by each. So A, here you have A and here you have B. So how much will A get? So A will get 58% votes. So A gets 58% of 114600, which on solving, how much you will get? So here you will get 66468 votes secured by A, while B gets how much? 16% vote. So 16% of 114600, isn't it? 16% of 114600. So on cancellation, how much are you going to get? You will get how much will you get? So 16 into 1146. So I have to multiply. And that will give you, here you will have 42%. 42. B doesn't get 16%. 42% of 114600. On multiplication you will get 48,132. Clear? Once again, after you find the total number of votes, find the number of votes secured by A as well find the number of votes secured by B. So the other one or the next one is also of the same type, that is number 12. Number 12 is also of same type. Okay, so please do number 12.